In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books. If you need to stop an invoice from being processed and want to mark it as no longer valid, Zoho Books makes that pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to void an invoice so you can keep your records accurate and up to date. To begin, sign into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization if you manage more than one, since invoices are tied to the specific business profile you're working in. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're ready to move to the invoice area. Next, go to the sales section and select invoices. This will open your invoice list, where you can view all the invoices that have been created in your account. If you have a large number of invoices, it may help to use the search or filters to find the one you need more quickly. Once you've located the correct invoice, open it. Take a moment here to confirm that you're viewing the right invoice before making any changes. This is especially important because voiding an invoice affects its status and helps maintain a clear audit trail in your accounting records. After the invoice is open, look for the More menu, usually shown as a three-dot icon on the invoice page. Click that menu to reveal additional actions available for that invoice. This is where you'll find the option needed to cancel it properly within Zoho Books. From the drop-down menu, select Void. In Zoho Books, voiding an invoice is the correct way to cancel it while preserving the record. This is useful because the invoice remains in your system for reference, but it is clearly marked as no longer active. When prompted, confirm that you want to void the invoice. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental changes, so be sure you want to proceed before accepting it. After that, verify the invoice status. Once the action is complete, the invoice should show a status of void. This final check is important because it confirms that the cancellation was successful and that your records now reflect the correct invoice state. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an invoice in Zoho Books by voiding it. Keeping an eye on invoice status helps ensure your books stay organized and accurate. Thanks for watching.